two for Ochem. Nelly by Boko. We need Japan Motors for penny for no. Monty said, two for silver and passion. Say, I beg. So, I'm not say, Mumba and Quebec Tanage. And in that year, no hard come on. The director, Japan Motors. So, hard come on. My name is Mr. Regional manager, 20 years of Kumasi. Michael, Tom, so Wasim, and Lipa.
We are here on behalf of Japan Motors to contribute to your Silver Jubilee. As you know, Japan Motors, we have been your guests here in Kumasi for almost 20 years. And we've had the honor and the privilege of meeting you before. And today, in addition to making a presentation to your Silver Jubilee, we have also brought with us a new car that we have launched on the market. It's called the Ilios Grenadier. So I don't know if you have the time to see it today, but we would like to propose to leave it for you to test for a few days. But this is a proper 4x4. I don't know if you, the Ilios group is a very big petrochemical, 60 billion euro company. They just bought 25% of Manchester United, so I don't know if this is your team or not. But right now the group has also, 4 years ago, the owners are very fond of the Land Rover Defender, so when it was out of production, they decided to make a car that is very similar. So it's a British company with German engineering, so all of the engineering is practically that of the G-Wagon, because it comes from the same factory in Graz. And the assembly plant they bought was that of the Mercedes-Benz Smart Division in France. So it's a it's a British company with German engineering with the factory in France. Mm-hmm. And we've received the vehicles basically just a month ago. And we'll be honored to leave you the demo to try. And other than that, we have been, like I said, we have been your guests in Kumasi now for over 20 years. And we hope that our stay continues for a long time, for generations to come. And other than that, there's really not much to say. The presentation, we have a check for the Silver Jubilee Fund. I'm sorry, I don't see what.
Motos na dedicar você uma na fio do lima sabe não sou não essa só não tinha mulher ou de uma do vai um pai bom tipo como a gente fio do ah eu posso é só para não deixar não sou não tipo para não deixar hoje na fe o sanse fide a ba so no for no use no no German for na cabo nana bi ato nsa go cheating no ba no na mo ma esa ka no company mo di bi aba na esem no nso nya pa no wa na fe so juma di na wudi no mo di bi aba ka ta wachi mo de no bi aba so mo ba ba na de wi bi a no ayi so mo ko so abo mpa ya mo mo sha o se juma di no mo no try ya che de mo me na nya na so ayi so mo ta ko so abo na de bi a also from and so continue on to be umbana no one it so more team so
I welcome you and your brothers and your
sure.
The Motors has been good, but we thank you very much for all the work that you do for Ghana.
Sure.
And the industry and every commercial side of it, and the way you support economy. I know that you are assembling some discussions with council and all that, which is to the benefit of the economy because you employ so many people.
Sure.
The knockdown vehicles when they come and you assemble them, it means you employ so many people. And I also follow the taxes you pay to government and everything. So your father and your brothers have all been working here, so I know that you do very well. I knew you to be fat.
Sure.
And I hope the business is good. I know Ghana is your home and there's everything is going well. Unfortunately, the economy, everything is also turning around. And therefore, once we have a turn around, it means that things are going well. We pray for is for investors to come. People like you are more half Ghanaian, half this, and therefore your investments are more encouraged to come. But I entreat you to be expanding, to be becoming and being innovative in various areas of investment in the economy. To develop the country and then create employment also. I will pray for your business also to grow. Not necessarily just paying the taxes, but I pray that the company also grows. Your branch in Kumasi has also been doing well. Most mornings when I'm driving to go, if I see new vehicles being displayed there, and I know that Kumasi has also been good to you, the mining sector and everything, and the agricultural sector. So we would encourage you to come. So we thank you for this donation. And I believe you come with a car for me to try.
Yes.
I'll try, and then if I enjoy it, then it means I have to then take the car and pay.
Tomorrow you can use it as your golf cart.
Yes, which I would. But I thank you. We praise so that your company develops very well. And once you have a clear understanding, because I know you have a clear understanding of Ghana very well, and therefore we pray that you continue investing and then the issues we are here, we can support you. I thank you for this.